Hey guys, this is how to enable two-factor authentication for Fortnite account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to epicgames.com and this will be their homepage. And from here, just simply click on this profile icon over here and just simply log in into your account. You can choose with this social media that are available, or you can just simply provide your email, address, and password over here. So just simply log in into your account. And now guys, once you are signed in, just click over to the profile icon again, and then simply go to account. And after that, just simply go ahead and go over to the password and security over here. And after that, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here two-factor authentication. So from here, you will have three options, guys. So for the first one is you can go for two-factor authenticator app and you can just click on set up. And then from here, just click on continue. So guys, from here, just simply tap on the plus icon into your authenticator app. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide the code that will be appearing on your authenticator app into your device. So now for the second option, you can go for email and you can just click on set up over here, and after that an email will be sent to you, and just simply go ahead and provide the code. And after that you can go for SMS, which is just simply provide your phone number, and then from there a code will be sent to you, and then from there when you set this up, you'll be able to enable a two-factor authenticator into your Fortnite account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.